Yeah. Gentlemen, we have landed in Vegas. Thank you very much. It's been a wonderful crowd. Andrew, first impressions of Vegas.
It's bloody hot.
This is the main event of the evening.
It's game time.
Game time, baby.
Woo!
Lately I've been feeling like I'm fighting a demon. This demon seems to get me down. This demon wants to be right. It brings me to my knees sometimes. Oh, it makes the tears fall from my eyes. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Oh, this pain is a different kind.
Okay, I'm properly battered now. It's daylight. I'm walking up the stairs outside the Aria Hotel. It's 5:30 in the morning. Everyone's left me and I'm still going. Yeah!
Have a little less recoil in the shotgun, believe it or not. Recoil. So there's going to be a back blast effect. You're just going to get a face full of smoke. Just put the red dot on the bullseye. When you're on the target, that's when I'll close the bolt. And then that's when it will shoot.
Shit.
You go ahead and close the bolt. The gun is now ready to shoot. Oh! Wow. It's an experience, man.
Did you feel that?
Yeah! What an event.
I'm not standing there again.
Machine guns is...
Woo!
Jesus.
That air that goes up your nose.
I know.
Sometimes you gotta be singing, singing the blues away. Sometimes you gotta be dancing, dancing the rainy day. Sometimes you gotta just raise your hands up and look at the sun. It'll shine all your pain away. Sometimes you gotta just trust and believe in yourself. There will no more be cloudy days.
Welcome to Vegas, one soul production!
up, man.
Prince William in the building.
That's my very first win in Vegas, baby. Always know when to quit.
No homo, bro. No homo, bro.
We're at the gun range, shooting some guns, man.
Just let your soul go. Let it shine through. Let it shine. This isn't a hip hop video, but we are about to jump up an Escalade.
You dropping money.
God damn it, woman.
We're not gonna act like we've never done it before because that's corny.
Except for Toddy, who got spunked them. Who?
These aren't too big for tonight, are they? Reasonable size for tonight?
Just pump up a little bit more.
Look, I can't do it. My jeans are too tight. What's you in a basket shop?
Oh yeah!
Yeah, man.
Hey!
KO. You lose.
Fatality.